Welcome to Santorini, a place that's not just beautiful, but full of surprises. Did you know this island is actually part of an active volcano? Or that its beaches come in red, black, and even white sand? Some believe it's the real lost city of Atlantis. And those famous grapevines? They grow in spirals right on the ground. Santorini isn't just a postcard destination. It's a place where ancient history, strange geology, and stunning views collide. Stick around. The deeper you go, the more unbelievable it gets. Before we dive in, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support really boosts our confidence to keep creating helpful and informative content like this. Now let's begin our journey. Oia is the jewel of Santorini, world famous for its sunsets. Walking through Oia is like wandering a living postcard. Marble pathways, narrow alleys, and cave houses built into volcanic rock. Art galleries, boutique shops, and cliffside cafes line the labyrinthine streets. Due to the absence of rivers, locals have historically relied on cisterns to collect precious rainwater, a practice that reflects their resourcefulness in adapting to the environment. As sunset approaches, anticipation builds. People gather at castle ruins, walls, or cafes with local wine in hand. The sky transforms, blue to gold, orange, and pink, while the sun sinks into the sea. When the last sliver disappears, the crowd erupts in applause, a shared moment of joy. The magic lingers in the blue hour. As you explore the narrow, winding paths of Oia and Fira, free of cars and filled with charm, you might still see donkeys used to navigate steep routes, a nod to the island's traditional lifestyle. To understand Santorini, look to its volcanic past. 16 centuries ago, a colossal eruption reshaped the island, creating the dramatic caldera and sheer cliffs we see today. Strangely, no written record survived the eruption, adding to the island's air of enigma. The modern name Santorini itself is derived from Saint Irene, a Christian martyr, linking the island's deep past to more recent religious history. One of the most remarkable archaeological sites on the island is ancient Akrotiri, a perfectly preserved Minoan city often referred to as the Pompeii of the Aegean. What makes Akrotiri particularly fascinating is the advanced nature of its civilization. Excavations have revealed multi-story buildings, vibrant frescoes, and even indoor plumbing. Santorini's soul is found in its flavors and the warmth of its people. Local tavernas are more than eateries. They're community hubs filled with laughter, music, and stories. The volcanic soil gives Santorini's produce intense flavor. Try the sweet cherry tomatoes, tomato keftiris, and creamy fava. Fresh seafood, simply grilled, is a daily delight. The island's crisp Assyrtiko wines are made from vines woven into basket shapes to survive the harsh climate. Visiting a winery lets you taste tradition and innovation in every glass. The spirit of philoxenia, Greek hospitality, defines the culture here. Islanders share their home with genuine pride, making every visitor feel welcome. This warmth encourages you to slow down and savor every moment. In Santorini, connection and joy are always on the menu. Santorini is more than a destination. It's a feeling you carry with you. The island is both epic and intimate, awe-inspiring caldera views, cozy village lanes, and secret courtyards. It's a place for romantics, artists, historians, and dreamers. The memories, cool marble underfoot, sun-ripened tomatoes, applause at sunset, are vivid and lasting. No photo can capture the light, warmth, or peaceful energy of Santorini. The island's heart lies in its harmony of myth and modern life, resilience and beauty. Whether for a week or a moment, Santorini leaves an indelible mark on your soul. It's a blue and white dream you'll long to return to again and again. Creating this video took a lot of time, effort, and deep research to bring you something truly unique and fascinating. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.